What's happening, family? Welcome back to my vacuum version of time. This is Vic. Got the everyday speaker in front of us, so we're finna do this unboxing thing. We can make it do what it do. You guys saw the power speaker. For those who saw the power speaker, you know what I'm saying. You saw how crazy that was. Hit that card right there with the link in the description. But yeah, so let's get into this everyday speaker. Oh, you noticed that, huh? You noticed that? You noticed that? Hold on. Did you notice it? If you look, you're thinking like, what in the world? You weren't tripping. I do have two of them. So let's jump into the blue box. Jump to the box with the blue speaker. First off, Raycon is getting better with the presentations, man. Much better with the presentations. In fact, let me give you guys a top-down view real quick. All right, we're in that joint. So Raycon is killing the packaging right now. Now, if these are anything like the fitness buds, like the power speaker, these are gonna blow me away. Well, let's find out. So there's a speaker in hand, so you can see how big it is. You got your controls on top. Volume up, play pause, volume down, power button. USB Type-C port. That's one thing I love that they got going on, man. Look, USB Type-C. It's rubberized feet, so it don't slide everywhere. This time I know the user manual and USB Type-C to USB Type-A. It's your power cord. So yeah, man. I don't need this one. I'm going away. So, yeah, let's go and turn it on. Hold on, let me grab my phone real quick. All right, so we got that. Let's turn it on.
Raycon. Power on. Pairing mode.
All right. The everyday speaker.
Connected.
We're connected. Let's hop into the music we listened to last time. Just a little bit under half volume. Not bad. Let's turn all the way up. So this is where you can probably see the grill a little bit. This is where the speaker's facing. This is actually just a mesh to give it symmetry. You see you got your power LED, and you know it's on. This actually sounds nice. It's a single direction speaker. That's the only thing. So, it works for this. You're gonna want this in like a small space, face towards you. So you can jam out. You know what I mean? So let's pop open the everyday because this sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. Let's pop open the second one. Now you know what? Hold on. Let's go through the sound profiles, and then we'll pop open the second one. Run the same test with the same song. All right. So to get to the sound through the sound profiles, we'll just tap the power button one time.
Bass sound.
All right. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's go to something different. Let's go to Make sure you got your headphones in, your AirPods in. Not heavy, bass heavy. So let's get right to the middle of this one.
Verse, let go, let go, let go.
Okay.
Pure sound. Balanced sound.
Yeah, for office speaker, something smaller, yeah. I don't know about a party though. Now, if let's say you playing a card game or something with your people, then yeah, you playing spades, something, have this in the back, something just put like on a shelf or on a table. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that'll work. Party? Nah. So let's get into unboxing the second one. Let's pair them up. All right, family. So we're gonna do this multi-link mode. We have both speakers here. This one has not been turned on because to do multi-link mode, make sure this is connected.
Disconnected.
Make sure it's not connected.
Pairing mode.
Turn this one on.
Raycon. Power on. Pairing mode.
Make sure you press this and hold. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I messed up somewhere. All right, let's turn them both off.
Power off.
And back on.
Raycon. Power on. Pairing mode. Pairing mode.
All right.
Multi-link mode. Connected. Connected.
That's what I did. That's just single
Pairing
press.
mode.
So it should be.
Multi-link mode.
Huh. Oh, this might be the janky part of it. Hold on, let's see. So because the Bluetooth back going. And we're gonna do this in real time so you guys know what you're getting into. Okay. I think I know where I messed up. So, hold on.
Disconnected. Pairing mode.
So, in pair mode, the one that's not connected directly to your phone,
Multi-link mode.
you put that one
Connected. Connected. Pairing mode.
in. Huh. I don't think this one, hey, real time, so you guys know what you're running into, so you don't have to go through this. So, we're just going to connect to the one that's blinking, the black one.
Connected.
All right, let's see if we can sound out of both of them now. Yeah. Okay.
Bass sound.
Okay. So, multi-link mode, connected to, and then whichever one is still flashing, whichever speaker is still flashing in pair mode, then you connect your phone to that one. Then you got multi-link mode or stereo mode. You can control the 3 sound profiles from each speaker. You can bring the volume up and down. As you start to disconnect, you hold the the play button for 3 seconds. It'll disconnect, and you heard all the audible prompts. So yeah, these are not bad. Not bad. These are very affordable. These are, I want to say they're $40. Hold on, let me go to Raycon real quick. Like I said, this is real time, man. Very minimal editing, so you know it's real. Which means you should already give this video a like, and you should already left a comment. You should already share it to your page, not on private though. Yep, $40. $40. Come on now, don't do that. Don't do that. And yes, they got multiple colors. You got carbon black, electric blue, which I got these two right here, and then rose gold. I think they had a red one. I guess they sold out the red ones already. I should have bought a red one then. Call me slipping. Yep, got a red one. But this is $39.99. $40. Not bad, very affordable. They are super lightweight, less than a pound. For real. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Not much fanfare. You got a charging port. You got your controls up top. They did very well as far as packaging of the speaker. These get loud enough for what you're going to use these for. Yeah, I can suggest these. Hit the link below. Raycon, man, I need a discount code, player. Ray J, I need a discount code, player, so I can give it to my subscribers and my viewers, you know what I'm saying? But until next time, it's peace and black empowerment. Get you some. Or get the power speaker if you're a big boy. But you can get these too. And the power speaker.